Today, we will be testing a trend trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a trend trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 543 different strategies. The best ones so far I will mention later on in this video. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a trend trading strategy. And so the source video says I replaced all my indicators with this one, the most accurate tool I've ever used. And so quite a bold claim, but I would like to note that the source video actually shows a strategy that uses two different indicators. And so claiming that they replaced every other indicator or every indicator they had with this specific one because it was so accurate obviously is not a truthful statement. And so just an interesting fact to note. But nonetheless, we'll put this strategy to the test and see what we can get out of it. So we'll just hide the two indicators we have on screen now. The first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the commodity trend reactor. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And we'll jump into the settings and we're going to change the CCI length to 200. Then click OK. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the Andean oscillator. This one right here. Go ahead and click on that one and add it to the screen. And this one stays on the default settings, but I did go in and just bump up the line weight of the green and the red and make them a more vibrant color. Then go ahead and click OK. Everything should look as I have on screen now. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and squash down this pane right here that contains the histogram looking section. We don't really need that. Basically, it's just showing us the same thing that we have on screen. So you can see where we have this orange style background, and a orange colored background is showing us that we are in a downtrend. And then there's a green colored background showing we are in an uptrend. And so what we're looking for a short trade example is we are looking for when the background coloration is orange like this here. And then we're looking for the Andean oscillator to cross specifically the red line above both the orange and the green. But what we specifically want is the red to have crossed the green very recently and then the red. And so we don't want it just kind of hovering and bobbing up and down across that orange line. And so once we get that very defined break where we have the orange background and we get that from the bottom up break with the Andean oscillator, that'll be our signal to then enter into a short. And so we'll put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop just right above this pivot area and target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward. It's going to put us right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see that we just kind of consolidate for a little while and then make this push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade example, what we are looking for is the green background from the commodity trend reactor, and then we're looking for the green line to have recently crossed the red and cross up above the orange line from the Andean oscillator. It's kind of hard to see here. I can zoom in really tight, or I can mouse over this exact bar right here. You can look at the number coordinates right here above my mouse, and if you look at the green number there, it's 0.137, and you can see the other numbers are lower than that, which means that it is above both of those numbers. And that'll be our signal to then enter into a long. And so we'll set our trade right here, and we're going to set our stop just slightly below this little pivot area that was created by the entry candle, and we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like before. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. And this one, you can see that we make a really nice spike to the upside, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test, and out of those 50 trades, we had 13 winning trades and 37 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 26% win rate. So with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $7,800. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total loss would have been $14,800. Would have put your total profit and loss at negative $7,000. So again, highly recommend you don't ditch all the rest of your indicators for just this one. Even the source video didn't use just this one indicator, funny enough. Now during the same period of time, we did right at 39 trades altogether with the Academy of Forex indicator. We had right at a 79% win rate and a total gain right at $18,000. So definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90%, and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. Alright, that's it for the testing on this one. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.